Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Polygon Matic chart, which at the time of this recording has lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. We have also lost a key area of support at around the $1.17 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where I still believe that whatever we are seeing is a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my breakdown targets here on the Polygon Matic chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making a low at around the $0.74 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot structure in yellow, where we have seen the high for that wave 1 at around the $1.05 mark, and after seeing the high for that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, and after seeing the low for this second wave, we started this explosive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 in a move that gave us a peak at around the $1.57 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 3, whatever I was expecting next was a corrective structure in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 4, which I believe is what is playing out here on the Polygon Matic chart. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, that gave me a minimum retracement area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that lies between the $1.2493 mark and the $1.1718 mark, which is a target area that we fully maximized. And after losing the fib level 0.618 and also losing a key area of support at around the $1.17 mark, we have continued to see the breakdown to the lower side in a move that has now also given us a break below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. And because we are still in the formation of this wave 4, I now need to extend my target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4 back to the fib level 0.78, which perfectly lies at around the $1.0616 mark. And that is a very key decision point here on Polygon Matic, because the fib level 0.78 perfectly lies within the wave 1 of this Elliott structure territory over here. And because Polygon Matic has continued to obey the Elliott structures, you need to know that in case this fourth wave to the lower side continues to give us a retracement and is able to get into the wave 1 territory, then there are chances of seeing an invalidation of this Elliott structure. So here on the breakdown targets, we need to be very cautious with the fib level 0.78, because that could bring about invalidation of this Elliott structure that Polygon Matic has continued to obey. But in case we continue holding within this blue target area and we are able to get to still maintain above the wave 1 high, then there are chances that we might see the low for that fourth wave and expect a reversal to the upper side, break above the 20-day MA, also manage to break above the key area of resistance at around the $1.17 mark, continue gearing up, also see a break above our significant high at around the $1.3 mark, continue gearing up in the formation of this wave 5, so that we can fully maximize our minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. And once that happens and we complete the formation of this 5-wave structure to the upside, then I believe Polygon Matic could be completing an even larger Elliott wave count 3 to the upper side, which is right here in blue, which is giving me the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out. And if I zoom out so that we can see the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Polygon Matic chart, you can see that after making a low at around the $0.32 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliott structures, where we saw the formation of that wave 1 giving us a peak at around the $1.3 mark. And after seeing the high for that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2 in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.74 mark. And after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios is the start of an explosive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that perfectly lies at around the $2.3488 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Polygon Matic to do on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 50 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in case the reversal happens. But in case the breakdown continues, that move will still be supported here on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish crossover here, and we're also seeing a bit of an increase in the buying momentum, meaning that on the MACD we still have the momentum for us to continue holding, that is to continue seeing higher prices in the formation of that wave 5. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.